It is currently Sunday. What time are we at? 9:37. And this means pancakes. Every Sunday I make pancakes, and I'm going to show you how I make my pancakes. Right, pancakes. What we need: oil, I've been using self-raising flour, but for today, for today's purposes, light. I'll use plain flour. Not sponsored. We need two large eggs. Sieve. And that's kind of mostly what we need there. Jug. Measuring jug. Perfect pancakes. Or my perfect pancakes. We're going to be needing 140 grams of flour. And I would be using self-raising flour, but I'm going to be doing it normally for you guys. So we're just using plain flour. So we measure out 140 grams of plain flour, and then 2 eggs and around 300 ml of milk. I don't know if you could see that. Let's just do the milk just now. As you learned in your biology class, get down near it. There we go, 200 ml of milk. Still milk left over. Two eggs. 2 eggs. Let me just skip over that first one. So you could use a whisk and stuff, or you could just use one of these. Nice easy stress-free breakfast. Because you're just up, you don't want to be like stressing about doing everything, whisking. Ooh, look at all my whisk. So just nice and easy. Got it. Nice mix there. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and again. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Right, this is where the whisk comes back in. The whisk comes out. I mean, the sieve comes into it, just to get out all these unabsorbed flour. Seems a wee bit more than usual, but that's fine. Like so. Then just shove in the fridge if you've got room in your fridge. Thanks to frozen milk, I may not.
I don't know that one.
There we go. Right, that is 30 minutes up. Uncovering pancake mixture. Use a big, I like now using the big pan. And what I'm just going to do is just heat the oil up. Give that a wee bit longer. I'm just using the oil to make sure it doesn't stick. It's supposed to be a non-stick pan, but we moved on to our second pancake now. Not sure if this is the best tool to be using, but right, utensil, tool, utensil, whatever you want to call it. Gonna go around the side. There used to be a nice little funny pancake thing you used to get where it had two bits and you used to flip it on. One side was like able to contain the pancake batter, and the other side was just like flat, and sometimes you used to always get pancake mix down the side. Maybe I should try and flip it. Right, well, let's go one more time. There we go. So I can do it. It's just committing to it. We'll cook that side off for a wee bit longer, and then we'll get the next one on.
Thank you for taking the time to check out this video, and also thank you for the new subscribers. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, it's very much appreciated, and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Goodbye.